Welcome to my live. Ay, wala pala akong hika. Wala. Ay, pagod. What a day. Hi, Ma. Hello. Hi, everyone. Nice shirt. Diba? Ang ganda ng t-shirt. Sabi sa inyo eh, kayo na lang inaantay namin. Kayo lang eh. Ang ganda-ganda ng t-shirt eh. Masastignan nyo. Cheek. In fairness, meron 25 queens na nandito sa t-shirt na to. Ganda, di ba? I know. This is the Drag in the South Hall of Fame. I am so proud of Drag in the South and what we've built there. Talaga namang solid, sold-out shows and talagang grabe. Saan ka ngayon, Ma? Well, I'm home at my house. Iba, patulog na sana ako, bigla kang nag-notif, nood muna ako. Go, ang lala ng shirt. Diba? And this is acid wash. This is actually oversized attack. So, if you want this, and talaga yung all the shows, the Drag in the South. Ganda, no? Nag-live ako kasi maganda nga siya talaga. Where are you now, Queen? I'm just at home. Isa-isahin mo, Ma. How to avail the t-shirt po. You just go to, tinyurl.com/DITS2024 shirt. Or just go to Playhouse. Follow nyo muna si Playhouse. So, playhouse.ph on Instagram. What size are you wearing? I'm wearing XL. Extra large. Kasi yan yung attack natin ngayon. Ano na tayo ngayon? Gusto ko na ng laging oversized shirt. So, kaya na. Sorry. 1399 kasi siya. So, sorry, nasa na-confuse. Na-confuse din ako. 1399 siya. So, yeah. And it's only limited for a limited time. So, after Christmas, hindi na namin siya ibebenta kasi naman, ano naman talaga to, parang special lang siya for the last 2 year-end shows of Drag in the South. Pambayad ko lang kasi ang mahal ng venue. Ang mahal ng venue, medyo marami tayong gastos, marami tayong bayarin. So, nagbenta na rin ako ng t-shirt. Hi, Mom. Yes. Huwag yun na akong tinatanong-tanong ng mga ganyan. Tignan mo, sinong magkatabi sa t-shirt? Oh, magkatabi kami, aba, ay! Magkatabi rin kami ni Marina, oh. Magkatabi kami, Precious. Sasama ka ba kay Marina sa CDO? Baka hindi, because hopefully, tomorrow I'll be in the Australian, I'll apply for my visa to Australia, and hope I might spend the rest of the month in Australia with my family. So, baka last shows ko na this weekend for 2024. Thank you, Lord. So, sa mga pupunta sa O-Bar, mang-uulol na naman tayo sa O-Bar. If you guys wanna see. I'm so excited for my performance sa O-Bar this coming Saturday. And then, of course, Drag in the South on Sunday. And then, I'll be flying to Australia on the 21st. And we'll see you in February. Almost February na. Kasi I'll be there until January 3, and then I'm flying to UK, and then I'll be back in February na. So, halos isang buong buwan akong wala. So, I'm gonna miss you guys. Matutulog na nakatingi. Ayan. So, gusto niyo na bang mag-unbox ako ng bago kong iPhone Pro Max? So, sa mga hindi mo nakakalam, this is my iPhone 16 Pro. It's brand new, never been used, still have the box, and I have never used it. And this one is for sale. So, ibebenta ko siya dahil nagkamali ako ng cellphone. So, I have a new iPhone Pro Max, which we will be unboxing today. In the meantime, sa mga gusto ng iPhone 16 Pro, this is brand new. May kasama pang casing. If you want this casing, I'll give this for free. Parang nasa 1.2 din tong casing na to. But yeah, this is 512 gig. This originally retails for like 89,000. But I'm gonna sell it away for just 60,000. So just like almost 29 off. O, ang laki ha. Ang laki ng discount ha. Hindi, for something. Meron pang libreng screen protector. Naka-screen protector pa to. Screen protectoran ko na. Nabilang ko na ng ano. Tapos sabi ko, parang ayoko siyang gamitin. Hence, we ordered for a new 512 gig iPhone Pro Max. So, yes. Ganda mo sa Rose. So, guys, for those who are interested to buy this iPhone 16 Pro, just send me a message. Send me a DM on my Instagram. Ano lang ha, yung mga seryoso lang ha. Tsaka talagang meet up. Oh, may libreng meet up pa with Miss Eva if you're gonna buy this phone from me. Parang yung bumili ng iPad Pro ko. Pinaakyat ko pa siya sa stage ng Rose. Tapos inaward ko sa kanya yung iPad. Akala mo na panalunan niya. Yung siya naman yung bumili nun. Ayun, I love you, Eva. I love you too. I love you too. Huwag nyo na tinatanong sa akin yung mga ganyan bagay. Pay-per-view ng roast. Yes. Nag-set up ako ng 2 professional videographers that day. I think we are going to sell the roast. I think we're gonna sell this roast. So, tingin-tingin lang ako kung paano siya gawin. Saan ko siya, OnlyFans, Patreon, Fansly. I'm gonna figure it out, paano yung subscription service na yan, okay? Tangina, parang nilabasan ako sa pag I love you mo. Ay! Unbox na! Okay. So, this is the new iPhone Pro Max in Desert Titanium 512. So, bagong-bago pa siya. Yeah. By the way, before pala ako mag-unbox, I'd also like to announce na my team is expanding. Kaya din ako lumaban na FB Live ngayon is to let you guys know that I am looking for a content editor. Content editor. Primarily Reels. So, I need another sidekick, another member of my council to join me in all of my shows, my travels. Hopefully, yung may passport. So, I'm looking for someone to join my team. At ang gagawin lang ng taong yon ay mag-edit ng mga reels ko. Parang, gusto ko yung mga edit na parang heart evangelista. So, there's gonna be lots of things happening for me. I'm gonna be focusing more on my contents. So, kung meron kayong kilalang marunong mag-edit dyan or really good in editing and wants to join my team, imagine may libre pa kayong drag show, ganyan. Ayoko lang nang nanonood ha. Yeah. At saka ayoko ng mga entitled, at ayoko ng mga diva, ayoko ng mga attitude, ayoko ng tamad. So, for those who wants to join my team, I'll be releasing the tomorrow. So yun lang, kailangan ko lang ng content reels editor. Ako kasi yung kumukuha ng lahat. So ako kumukuha ng lahat. Ako mag-video, POV ko, ganyan. I just need someone to edit it. Okay? Ay, ayaw mo ng diva, binabawi ko na offer ko. Tama ba? I just need an editor. And medyo marami yung edits. Medyo marami akong backlogs. Imagine wala pa rin akong nilalabas about plastic tiara, ganyan. Ang dami kong backlogs. Kasi naman, imagine, bukod sa paggawa ng sarili kong performance, nagpo-produce ako ng show, nagdi-direct, nag-events management, nagpi-PR, nagpa-finance at nagpapasahod. So, you know, we're a very busy person. So, I need an editor. So, if you think you got what it takes to work for Miss Eva, by the way, guys, pag nagtrabaho kayo sa akin, medyo ako. Ang trabaho ay trabaho. Ang deadline ay deadline. So send me a DM. Send a DM in my Instagram and I'll do the interview. I'll check on you and then let's see. Ayan. Reaction video. Excuse me. Ayun na nga. Kaya hindi ko malabas-labas yung reaction video na yun kasi kailangan ko ng editor. Para makafocus na yung long form editors ko sa mga long form. I need someone to do my reels. So, if you guys want, malay nyo, isama ko pa kayo sa Dragon, di ba? Malay nyo, isama pa kayo sa mga tour, sa mga So, I've been busy applying my visas here and there because we have a huge chance of traveling a lot next year. So, unbox na natin. Unbox. Okay, ang tagal. Tangin na nyo. Cellphone ko naman to. Okay. Alright. So, i-unbox na natin siya. So, nabuksan na yung taas. So, ano na natin siya. Ayan! Diba? Excited na me sa Dragon. True! Okay. And this is it. Charan! Diba? It's so my color. It's in Desert Titanium. So, medyo golden siya. Ayan pa siya, mga kaibigan. Hi, Miss Eva. Bibigyan ng kanto ko para sa'yo. Ayan. Oo nga eh. So, bilhin nyo na yung isa kong phone. And then, I'm using my iPhone 14 here. So, itong iPhone 14 na to is gonna be my business phone. So, maglalabas na ako ng hotline for Playhouse. Yay! Hello, hello. I love the color. It's so you. I know. Diba? Parang bagay siya sa parang masarap manood ng porn pag ganito kalaki yung Diba? Parang, masarap manood ng porn pag malaki. Cute! Oh, buksan na natin yan siya. Ayun lang. Oopsie. And, ching bagal. Ba't parang may salamin? Ayan. Peek! Cutie. Ayan na siya! Open na siya! Gorgeous! Parang hindi naman pala siya sobrang laki. Kasi compare mo, ito yung iPhone 16 Pro. And then this is the Max. Oh, parang pinagtabi mo sila. Parang ito lang yung inilamang nung isa. Parang ang maliit lang yung diferensya. Hindi, wag mo isipin yung mga bagay na yan. I've been through a lot of shit just to get this phone. Tagal ko siyang inantay. Diba? Cute! Ganda. Nakikita ko si Plangga ko na gamit damit mo. Diba? Ay nako, bilhin nyo na to. Umorder na kayo niyan kasi parang less than 100 pieces lang ang ilalabas ko dyan. And then, bumili na rin ako ng case. Kasi how will I put this? Burara, tsaka baka mabagsak ko. From Android user to multiple iPhone user. Diba? Multiple penetration. Ayan. So, para hindi siya masira. Ang ganda, clear case lang siya with aluminum kinemer. Oh my goodness! Perfect! Diba? Ang ganda ng cellphone ko. Tapos tatanong-tangin ko lang yung mga tao sa paligid ko ng kung ano-ano mga tanong like, Siri! Siri, play dead! Siri, face the wall! Siri? Siri, what the fuck? Ganyan. What's the reason bakit mo ibebenta, ma? Kasi sobra siya. Kasi wala akong paggagamitan sa kanya. Sayang naman siya. I mean, kung itatabi ko lang dyan, anong gagawin ko sa kanya? Tatlo-tatlo na yung telepono ko. Ayoko naman sa ipang regalo. Wala naman. Kung may jowa ako, malamang meron na siyang iPhone. Kaso wala akong jowa eh. Ma'am, ganyan ba dapat na nagtatanong ma'am? Di ba? Parang, Siri. Ayan, Mayong merch. It's just 1399. Diyos ko, maliit na bagay. Alam niyo yung pera, kikitain niyo yan. Yung gantong merch. And guys, just to announce, Drag in the South has meet and greet. So we have a post-show meet and greet. So imagine, kung bumili ka ng ticket ng Drag in the South, tapos meron ka ngayong t-shirt, di papapirmahan mo ngayon sa mga nandun, mga perfect. Mapa-perfect mo to na parang bingo. So magdala kayo sa mga bibili ng merch, magdala kayo ng pentel pen, magdala kayo ng Sharpie, bilhin nyo to sa labas, bilhin nyo to doon pag nakita nyo, tapos papirmahan nyo. Okay? Matchy sa nails. I know! It's just so gorgeous! Yan. But 120. Oh, cutie! Oh, ayun, may bago na akong cellphone. So, ayun, na-announce ko na yung mga dapat kong i-announce. Again, binibenta ko tong iPhone 16 Pro White 512 gig with case and screen protector for only 60,000 pesos. Mura lang yun. Alam mo, kikitain niya din yan. This retails for 89,990. But I'm just giving away for 60K. And then I'm also looking for a content reel editor. So, parang awa nyo na. Ang dami-dami kong ginagawa. Ang yaman-yaman ko. Kaso wala akong editor. Diba? O, picture muna tayo. Selfie. Paano kayo? Nakasmile ba kayo? Picturean ko nga kayo, Nak. Nak, smile ka. Smile ka, Nak. Ayan! Hello daw. Ayan. Gaslighter din to siya. Bago na pala yan siya. Ako na, naawa na ako. Dali na! Gawin nyo na, maging editor ko na kayo. Okay? And we're gonna have so much fun. Again, alam nyo guys, sobrang blessed in 2024. And I think 2025, I just have so much more exciting things to come for 2025. And I want you guys to be a part of it. And I want you guys to see it, to know of it. Paano ko malalaman yun kung walang nag-edit ng mga videos ko, di ba? So, samahan nyo na ako sa journey na ito. Baka need ng production assistant. Production assistant, go! Actually, kailangan ko yan kasi kailangan ko ng malalaking events. And also, I'm gonna be starting as you all know, I'm already starting my YouTube series. I'm already gonna start my events at my talk show. And a lot of things are gonna happen. And yeah, we've got brand deals, we've got campaigns, and we've got people supporting us. I'm just so excited for 2025. So I want you guys to be there, and I need you guys to help me, please. Okay? Ilalagay ko yung link sa profile ko sa Instagram para makabili kayo ng t-shirt. Or tignan nyo yung story ko. I-check nyo yung stories ko. Nandun sa stories yung link on how to buy a shirt. Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm getting used to this really, this medyo big na phone. So ito yung isa eh. Diba? Oh. So guys, that's it. Meron akong appointment sa VFS ng 8 a.m. I wish I could stay longer. So magbabayis pa ako. Okay? Naka-perfect ako ng 3 major exams. Wow! Kay YG Genix. Congratulations! Yes! I love you! I love you. Good job. Miss Eva, do you accept PWDs as prod assistant? As long as kaya nila, of course. As much as I want to reply, I don't edit videos, but I do artworks. Go! Pwede yan. How to apply, Ma'am Eva? Send me emails. Normally, dati kasi nagsasend pa ako ng email. Ngayon, mag-Instagram tayo, mag-usap tayo, and then, real talk tayo. Kaya mo ba yung trabaho o hindi? Ganun lang siya. Siri, luluwag ba ang Evasius? Of course not! Anybody know list ng shows? For now, hindi na tagahugas. Ayoko. Ayun. So yes, again, my last 2 shows for 2024 is this coming Saturday, which is O-Bar's anniversary party. That is O-Bar's anniversary show. And then, Drag in the South year-end show on Sunday. And then after that, sarado na po ang tindahan ni Miss Eva at magkita-kita na tayo ulit sa February 2025. Yes, remote work po ba ang editing, Ma'am Eva? Yes, kung magaling ka mag-edit at mabilis ka magpasa kahit remote, go. Had fun sa roast. Yes! Imagine, I'm planning like 5 more roasts for next year. So, kailangan ko ng prod work. Joy to the World. Oh, yes! Yes, sorry. Pangatlo pala. Oh my God, Joy to the World is gonna happen on December 20, the very day before my flight. Yes, I have Joy to the World pa pala. So, last 3 shows bago natin isara yung tindahan. Guys, just to let you know, nag-brainstorming na kami ni Marina about what's gonna happen sa Joy to the World. And as in, ang ingay, dito kami nag-brainstorming, ang ingay namin, humahagal pa kami kakatawa. So, yes. Yeah, so Joy to the World, yes. Yes, Drag in the South, December 29, I won't be there. So, instead, Morgana will be hosting for me. And, ewan ko, mag-zoom na lang tayo. Wala kasi dito yung pamilya ko, namimiss ko na sila. Ilang buwan ko na silang hindi nakikita. Miss Ma'am, would you need a stage manager? Yes! Yes, I need stage managers. I need stage managers. So guys, if you're interested to apply and be a part of the Playhouse team and my team, kasi Playhouse kasi is events, and then we have Eva's team, which is like contents for Eva. So either way, if you want to be a part of my content team, if you want to be part of my events team, pwede kang PA, prod assistants, pwede kang editors. Those are the two things that I need. Go. Post ka ng mga position, ma. Yes, I'll be doing that tomorrow. I'll post them out. Pero kasi minsan, guys, kapag nagpo-post ako, parang inuulol-ulol lang ako ng mga tao. Minsan kung ano-ano lang yung mga sinesend talaga, nakabalbalan sa email. So, wag tayong ganun, guys. Like, if you want to make good shows, if you want, when Miss Eva means business, I mean business. So, I need like-minded people. I need matured, like-minded people. So, message niyo ako. Ha! 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 O siya. Sobrang... Di ba kasi ako nagtutoothbrush eh. Okay ka lang, ma'am. More blessings pa din. I love you. Thank you. Wow. Thank you. I love you too. Yes. I'm very much okay. Is this Rufa May's life? No. O siya, alas 2 na. Ma, naka 38 out of 40 ako sa major exam namin sa tourism. Okay, congratulations. Good job. 38 out of 40. That's good. That's, you know. Good job, na. Come to SF, mama. I think I would. Pero baka, again, so kung merong mga taga-UK dito, I'll be at DragCon. I think ang mga Pilipino lang na nandun sa DragCon is me, Maxi, Marina, and Jade. I'm not sure if there'll be other Filipinos going for DragCon UK. And I think this is the last DragCon I'll ever do. I might not go to LA anymore. Kung punta man ako ng LA, I'll just go there for a show or a holiday. Pero baka hindi na ako mag-DragCon ever. This is my last DragCon. Me and my BF watcher season all the way from Minnesota. Wow, thank you. I hope you're good na. Yes! I am good and I'm very happy. I'm very excited for my next performance, for my coming performances. So, you better watch out. Okay? I love you guys. Good night. Bye. Bye.